Alright, today I just got the brand spanking new DJI Air 2S drone right here. This is the Fly More combo. I'm going to be doing an unboxing with this right here, and comes with this card. I actually had to buy this card separately. It's a micro SD card, 128 gigabytes. And one important thing that I got with this, they told me I should get one that says 4K, has 4K right there, to ensure that the video looks good. Because sometimes I've heard, I don't know if this is true, that the video may not come out right if it's not a 4K at least. All right, so on the back right here, it just shows, what is in here. It has the Fly More combo with the controller, the extra batteries on here, and the extra propellers on here, and a lot of details that you can read on there. I'm not going to go into that too much. I'm going to go ahead and get to opening it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scissors and just pierce the plastic a little bit. So once I pierce the plastic a little bit, it comes off relatively easy. All right. Well, relatively, I said. I didn't say easy, but relatively easy. So go ahead and take that off. And then this is it right here. I'm going to go ahead and slide it up. But actually, I think there's more to it. It doesn't actually slide up like that. There's actually some more tape on the side. So get that off. I like how they have this. Ensures that the DJI doesn't slip out. If it's going to slip out, I don't know why. But get that tape. It's a little difficult to get under. Just go ahead and take my scissors and go down. All right, so I have that. All right, so I'm just going to slide it up right here, and it comes with this. The Fly More package comes with this nice pouch right here for carrying it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out, sit this so the box is to the side a little bit, and this is the pouch that comes with it. It's a little open right here, all right, but that's okay. So this is the pouch that comes in the Fly More combo. Just gonna go ahead and pull it out of this right here, this paper that keeps the strap, a nice carrying strap. So if you want to be fashionable with it when you're going around. All right, little card. Don't know what that says, but it's another language. Pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And so inside, so here is the goods inside. I'm just going to go ahead and pull this out. I'll pull the drone out. Here, right here is the actual, I believe this is the charger. Gonna pull this out. Whoa. All right, so inside right here, nothing left inside of that, is the charger. A piece of tape on my hand, get that off. And the battery. So here is the charger right here with, you can see right here, part of the charger. And then here are two batteries. Let me go ahead and open this up so you can see the batteries. So here are the batteries. All right, turn on right here. All right, so the batteries are right there. And here is the second battery. Gonna go ahead and pull this out. So I'm gonna put these batteries to the side right here. And then next, this is part of the plug that connects to the charger. Comes with a Velcro-like strap on here to keep it together, which is pretty nice to have because the cords can get kind of long and in the way a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and have this, put this together. So here's the charger right here, goes together right there. Now there's plastic that goes around here. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave the plastic on, keep it nice and shiny, protected. There's no real reason for me to take off that plastic, but here's the charger and the battery. This is not the battery. This is actually a piece that goes on for charging the battery. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take this, and not exactly sure how this goes quite yet. I'll figure it out. Oh, it snaps on like this, I believe. I'll figure that out later. But here's the battery. Put this to the side. And then inside here, this is the controller. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. There's actually a smoother way of opening this up, and I'm going to try to do the smoother way. So I have this, and right here is the charger. Excuse me, I'm twisted today. So this is the controller, and you can see on the controller it has Cine mode, normal mode, and sport mode at your fingertips, so you don't have to do a lot of fidgeting within the menu on the phone. When you connect this, home button, power button, and there's joysticks right here. Now, what I'm told is that the joysticks are actually underneath here, so you can pull the joysticks out right here at the bottom, and you can put them into place. A pretty nice feature to have right here, because the joysticks can get in the way. I do, however, worry about losing the joysticks if I don't put them back in the right place. That's my only concern with that, but maybe it's just a phobia and not an actual reality that's going to happen. So have this on here, the joysticks, nice, feels good. Then you open this up, I believe. Yeah, pull this up, and you're able to slot the phone right in here and connect it with the cable. There's a cable right here. Connect that to your phone, and you're able to control it. Pretty cool. All right, we're going to set this to the side. And what else is in here? This right here is, let's see what this is. Going to go ahead and slide this out. Okay, so this is the panel, so you can actually put multiple batteries on here. So put one battery right here, and another battery right here. Got that on right? So another battery right here. And then the third battery, which is attached to the actual drone. I'll get to that in a second. So that's that. And here is the drone itself. All right, pretty cool. Pretty cool looking right here. So this is the drone itself in all its glory. There's a protective shield right here. I'm just going to go ahead and put this down really quick and look inside. I don't see the actual propellers. I don't see the propellers anywhere. Well, that's because the propellers might be in the accessories compartment. So here is the accessories compartment, and right here, accessories compartment, and here it is right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this and slide this open to get the things open. I don't know why it doesn't come out really easily, but all right, so it slides open like this. This accessories, and here are the propellers in here. A bunch of propellers and connections. Go over those later. Extra joysticks for controlling the drone. Remember the ones I put in. And here is a USB-C to USB connector right here. All right, so what we're going to do now is open up this package. I don't know what this is right here. This looks pretty cool. All right, so this is, what is this? Looks like a makeup kit or something like that. All right, so here are the neutral density filters right here. This is great for having on the camera in bright situations if you want to go for different effects. So this is neutral density pack. I'm gonna go ahead. All right, so now that I have all this out, let me push a lot of things to the side. Here is the actual drone. This right here says, please charge to activate the battery before using for the first time, and refer to the quick start guide. So here is the actual drone. I'm gonna give a look at it really quick. Air sense right there, a lot of. All right, here are the sensors on the front, the above. You have sensors on the rear, the bottom, All right, pretty cool. Small looking thing right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the wings. Let you see that really quick. So there are the wings right here. And I'm going to go ahead and take off the cap. So right here, what does it say right here? It says, press the notch to remove the gimbal protector before turning on the power. So press the notch. All right, so let me take this plastic off. All right, so I took the plastic off right there. It says, press the notch. All right, press the notch. And the gimbal is free. And this is the camera that's on here. DJI 1-inch sensor right here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And then you notice there's some plastic on here. I'm just gonna go ahead and take these off. The pieces of plastic. All right, so I have the pieces of plastic off, and here is the drone. Now, there's a lot of stuff going on right here, and I don't want to overwhelm you with a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna get a little bit organized right here. All right, organization is the key. All right, so let me come down a little bit. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at the propellers. So this one says B. That's sure B. All right, so B, propellers, doesn't matter which side the wing is. Okay, so there are different propellers. There's some for B, and there is some for A. And you see what this is going on. So the DJI symbol is at the back. All right, DJI symbol's at the back. And so for this, you're gonna put the B on in this corner and then on the top front right there. So remember to look at these symbols so you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna do B first. All right, so I have B, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take this and just put it in place. So B, just put the, where does this go? So just push it down. Get a little closer so you can see this a little bit better. So get it down, and then, whoa, popped off. So I got it down, and twist it to counterclockwise for this one right here. All right, that worked out well. And then I have another B. I'm gonna put it on this one so you can see what I'm talking about right up here. So it's important that you actually get them coordinated to where they're supposed to go. So I'm gonna go right here, and then there is a little cushion. See that cushion? You wanna take that off. So I'm gonna push this one down, twist it counterclockwise, and it is in place. All right, so now I'm gonna go to the A and have the A right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this. And remember, take off the cushion. For the first one, the cushion was not on there, so well, the cushion wasn't on there, so it must have fell off in the box. So I'm not going to worry too much about that. It's probably in the box somewhere, but it was already off. But it's important to take off the cushions. And then the other A, gonna twist it around right here. Take off this cushion. And take this and open this up and then put this down, twist it counterclockwise. Actually, this one goes clockwise, so I had to do this one clockwise. So read the instructions so you know exactly which way to put them on. All right, so I put that on. And now I am ready to take this off. And what I'm gonna do, let me come up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up, and then I'm just gonna take it for a test run with this. So you can stay with me for a second. I'm gonna charge these up like it asked me to do. Pop the battery off by squeezing the sides right here and lifting it up like that. All right, put it back on by pressing like that. All right, the micro SD card goes on the side right here. I'm just gonna go pop this open, pull that out, and then take the micro SD card right here, and I believe it goes in upside down, and just slide it in. Slide it in like that. Maybe it goes the other way around. Let's see. So the micro SD card in here actually goes, it does, I was correct the first time. Goes in upside down. And then, I don't think that's right. You're gonna have to press this in until it clicks. See that? It clicked in there and it stayed down. And then go ahead and remove plastic, then put this back in like that. All right, so here is the drone right here, unboxing, controller, and then here are the batteries. So that was the unboxing of the DJI Air 2S. I hope this was helpful. Hopes it gives you a good look at what to expect. Thanks a lot for watching.